government for the very first time. Okay, so we'll be talking about why do we need the diplomatic relationship also. Yes, let's talk now. A mission which is related to the foreign countries or the group of people, those who are living in the foreign land. Or basically, diplomatic relationship is a relationship between states to another states, one organization of one state to another organization of that state. That means the organization of our country, like King Mahendra Trust for Nature and Conservation, is making the relationship with IUCN and working for the protection of natural resources, wild animals, and so on in our country. So they make the relationship with another organization also. So is state to represent the sending state organization officially in the receiving state. That means one country, another country, mutual. It's not. We are not talking about bilateral. We are talking about bilateral. It's called bilateral, not multilateral. Like SAARC country, multilateral relationship. Yes, Nepal and India's friendship, bilateral relationship. So you would ask the question also, what do you mean by bilateral relationship? If it is asked like that, what do you say? Okay. Now, diplomatic missions is a state's agency located abroad to handle foreign relationship. In diplomatic relationship, what will mean? The state agencies, the agency, a group or people, a person whom the government give the authority. They handle all the activities done in that land. For example, you have heard about, I think you have heard about ambassadors. Yes? Yes. Ambassador भनेको त थाहा छ नि तिमीलाई. अनि embassy भनेको पनि थाहा छ. No? Ambassadors is a person who is given authority to maintain and tackle with the with a specific country, relationship with a specific country. For example, Nepal, ambassadors of Nepal to India, ambassador of Nepal to China, London, no? Yes? France, England, what we call? England, it's not London, England, and then after USA, yes? So Russia, you might have seen the embassies located in different part of our country. In the last class also, I'd asked you about this question. Have you seen or not? Embassy. Which embassy you have seen up to now?
American Embassy.
के रे मैले बुझिन फेरि भन न.
American Embassy.
American Embassy अनि Malaysian, yeah. Consular हुन्छ है, कति को चाहिँ एम्बेसी नभएर दे एस्टाब्लिश द consular office. Yes, and appointed consular as well. देखेको छौ नि तिमीले हैन? एम्बेसी पनि देखेछौ, एम्बेसिडर पनि थाहा छ है. कन्सुलर पनि मैले भने तिमीलाई. अब when we talk about the person, ambassador of Nepal towards China, he has to go to China and carry out all the diplomatic talk, foreign affairs, treaty, सम्झौता, war, के हो हैन? सम्झौता के हुन्छ? एउटा मात्र किसिमको सम्झौता हुँदैन नि, व्यापारमा सम्झौता हुन्छ, अनि स्कलरशिपमा सम्झौता हुन्छ, वनमा सम्झौता हुन्छ हैन, एडमा सम्झौता हुन्छ. जस्तै चाइनाले हामीलाई के बनाइदियो, अस्ति पनि हामीले पहिलाको क्लासमा पनि कुरा गरेका थियौँ नि हैन? How has China helped us in different ways, no? Building the civil hospital, ring road, etc. We talked about BICC, building of BICC. So this is how they provide help to us in different way. Many students from our country go to China for the scholarship. The students, those who are genuine in studies, the government asks the list of those students, they apply for it, and when they apply and they get approved, they go to other country for study also, होइन? त्यो चाहिँ उतै बसेर काम गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ for the certain period of time. If the political changes takes place, then the diplomatic office get changes. In practice, the phrase diplomatic mission usually denotes the resident missions. Resident missions भनेको उही बस्ने resident missions, होइन? Namely the embassy, which is the main office of the country's diplomatic representative to another country. Maybe people, those who to Qatar, Dubai, you know, they get various kinds of difficulties, job difficulties, fraud difficulties, and then cheating from the not giving the proper salary, and what sometimes they get what we call involved in very different kinds of wrong activities. Sometimes they are cheated by the company itself, not paying for their job work. So they ask help to whom? नेपाली people जान्छ नि, उनीहरूले कहाँ अप्लाई गर्ने हो त? उनीहरूले एम्बेसीमै अप्लाई गर्ने हो. एम्बेसीमा अप्लाई गरेर मलाई यस्तो यस्तो भएको छ, अथवा sometimes they feel in difficulties and difficulty भयो भने मलाई देश पठाइदेऊ, घर पठाइदेऊ भन्नलाई कहाँ जाने त? एम्बेसीमै जाने, हैन? तिमीहरू पनि त कहिले काहीँ पछि जाउला नि त भविष्यमा नि, तिमीहरूलाई एम्बेसीको महत्त्व you will get to know. This government office in other's land. Embassy is the government office in other's land. Are you understanding me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So it's the residential missions to another country. The embassy, the consulate, I already talked about consulate. The embassy छैन त्यहाँ consulate पनि हुन्छ, हैन? अस्ट्रेलियाको एम्बेसी छैन नि त हाम्रो कन्ट्रीमा, consulate मात्रै छ. त्यो consulate-ले हाम्रो सबै उहरू चाहिँ इन्डियाको थ्रुबाट फरवर्ड गरिदिन्छ. And permanent mission of Nepal to UN, which are located in foreign lands and represent their own country, are known as the diplomatic mission. अब एकचोटि पढ त, म तिमीलाई सोध्छु what do you mean by diplomatic mission भनेर. तिमीहरू you have to know, है? लास्ट लाइन चाहिँ इम्पोर्टेन्टली पढ, सबै पढ, लास्ट लाइन पनि पढ. Diplomatic missions are usually situated in the capital city of a country. The foreign ministry is responsible for the management and appointment of other staff in the embassy. So what do you see in the picture? Which picture is what is the place related about? Or this place is related about which one? तिमीले देखाएको थियो यो ठाउँ पनि? देखेको थियो यो ठाउँ?
Foreign Ministry.
फरेन मिनिस्ट्री हो. कहाँ छ यो? Where is it? हुन त कहाँ छ? होइन, फरेन मिनिस्ट्री नै हो यो. फरेन मिनिस्ट्री चाहिँ नारायण हेटी प्यालेसको पश्चिमपट्टि छ. नारायण हेटी प्यालेसको टेरिटोरीमा पश्चिमपट्टि, जो ठमेलनेरी पर्छ, है? यो फरेन मिनिस्ट्रीले चाहिँ के गर्छ त? त्यो एम्बेसीमा काम गर्ने स्टाफहरू, त्यहाँ चाहिने स्टाफहरू सबै के गर्छ त? फरेन मिनिस्ट्रीले अभाइलेबल गराउँछ. कुरा बुझेको बुझेनौ?
Yes, ma'am.
अब त्यो एम्बेसीमा को कसरी काम गर्ने भन्दाखेरि हाम्रो फरेन मिनिस्ट्रीले नेपालकै मान्छेहरूलाई त्यो फरेन मिनिस्ट्री अन्तर्गत काम गर्न एम्बेसीमा पठाउँछ. अब हेर, अब country may have different types of diplomatic missions in another country. The first one, an embassy is a diplomatic mission generally located in the capital city of another country, which offer a full range of service, including consular service, consular service, full range of service. Okay, that means everything related to the people living in that land. हाम्रो देशको जनताहरू जो चाहिँ त्यहाँ बसेका हुन्छन् तिनीहरूलाई पर्ने सबै किसिमको समस्याहरूको अथवा सबै दिनलाई कन्सुलर अफिसले understood or not? Yes? इन्क्लुडिङ के छ थाहा छ कन्सुलर अफिसले के काम गर्छ भिजा अप्रुभ गर्ने त्यो कन्ट्रीको लागि हो इन्टरभ्यु गर्ने लिस्ट गर्ने पहिले निकाल्ने नाम कल गर्ने बोलाउने सबै काम हाई कमिसन इज एन एम्बेसी अफ कमनवेल्थ कन्ट्री लोकेटेड इन अनदर कमनवेल्थ कन्ट्री हाई कमिसन पनि हुन्छ जहाँ चाहिँ एम्बेसी छैन हाई कमिसन इस्टाब्लिस गरिदिन्छ मैले एम्बेसिज नभएको कुरा पनि तिमीलाई अघि नै भनिसकेँ अ पर्मानेन्ट मिसन इज अ डिप्लोमेटिक मिसन टु अ मेजर इन्टरनेसनल अर्गनाइजेसन अब नेपालले पर्मानेन्ट मिसन कहाँ पाउँछ त भन त कहाँ पठाउँछ नेपालले पर्मानेन्ट मिसन खै थाहा छ कि छैन कसैलाई थाहा छैन पर्मानेन्ट मिसन नेपालले कहाँ पठाउँछ भन त कुन अर्गनाइजेसन थ्रुबाट पठाउँछ कति सजिलो छ त्यो पनि आन्सर नगरेको हो युएन कुरा बुझेको बुझेनौ तिमीलाई कस्तो अल्छी आयो जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई पढ्नलाई हो किन why are you feeling lazy let's talk away from the lesson then if you are feeling lazy world को fastest transportation को नाम बोला भन कसलाई थाहा छ
बुलेट
कसैलाई थाहा रहन्छ अहिले नयाँ के आएको छ थाहा छ तिमीलाई अब यहाँ भर्खरै सर्च गरेर हाइपर लुप HYPR हाइपर LOP लुप इन्ट्रेस्टिङ कुरा गरिरहेको छु तिमीलाई अल्छी लाग्यो भने मैले स्क्रिन सेयरिङ हटाइदिएँ भन ट्रान्सपोर्टेसन हाइपर लुपको नाम सुनेको थियो
नो म्यान
अनि क्लासमा आउँदैन अनि क्लासमा नआउने त झन् थाहा नै पाउँदैन है हाइपर लुपको स्पिड हाइपर लुपको 607 माइल्स पर आवर वन माइल भनेको कति किलोमिटर हो 1008 किलोमिटर
1 घण्टामै जाने म्याम त्यति
नेपालको मेचीदेखि महाकालीसम्म 1 घण्टामा पुग्ने
म्याम कुन कन्ट्रीले बनाएको
तिमीले हाइपर लुप सर्च गर
म्याम त्यो